All right, so the next thing we're going to do is set up our payment gateway. That way you can accept payments. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our test mode account. Now, the process is the exact same for setting up test versus live, except for in live, you'll use your actual, your actual banking information and all that stuff, your actual social. So let's just go ahead. We're in test mode. And once again, you do have to do this twice. So you'll do it once for test, and then you'll toggle this button over, and you'll do it for live. So we're just going to do test. That way we can test out our, our course sales or our product sales or whatever we want to test. So let's go ahead and click connect. And like I said, so all this data will be fake. So as you can see, use test phone number, use test code. And I'll show you when you know that this is done completely. And you'll just want to keep this piece in mind. So we'll just make up a birth date. That's an old address, old phone number, and use 000 for the last 4 years Social Security in the test case. And confirm. All right. Select our industry, consulting, put our new website in there. By the way, if any of you guys got your domain set up, congratulations. But if you're still waiting around, no big deal. All right. And we'll use enter test bank account credentials instead. But this is where you would actually do your regular bank credentials. So we'll click autofill. And all this is done through Stripe. So there's no connection to Creativ Builder. We don't store any of this information or anything like that. This is all handled through Stripe, as you can see up here. That's why we don't even use a custom URL, because we could actually have a custom URL for this, but we want to put people at ease, let them know we do not save any of their banking information. All right, so as you see here, account details and payments enabled. If for some reason this payments isn't enabled, you need to go back. It'll have a button here that will say complete setup or something like that. You'll need to continue until you make sure that you complete the setup. But it's pretty simple to do. And then when you're ready to go live, you'll click it over to live, and you'll go through that same process again, but you'll use your actual information. So that's all you need. So you've got all the big components knocked out. And now it's time to have some fun with Creativ Builder. See you guys in the next video.